Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper. And you guys, I can't show you what's inside, but I can show you the cover of the new mini catalog that came out. And I can show you some of the items that are in there. So let me go ahead and we'll get started. I have a small haul here. It's not real small, but it's not huge. Anyways, we'll start with the first thing because I wanted to tell you this is a brand new Festive Tags Kit, and that just came out this week, and it is a full kit, and you can make a bunch of different tags. It comes with everything you need here to make some great tags there. And then once you've made the tags, you can keep them in the box here and have them ready for Christmas. You guys, the kits are on sale right now, up to 30% off. So you will definitely want to check out those kits. A few things that I needed to get replaced here is some embossing powders. And this comes with 3 powders in it. We've got black, we've got white, and we've got clear. So I needed to replace the white, just the white, and so I have clear and black, and we're going to end up using those in one of my game nights as a prize, and we will have some fun. That's going to be at the end of the month, August 30th. If you wanted to participate in the game night, we'll see some of the prizes coming up here. Let's see. I got a new Simply chamois there. I have, now this is new. This is coming from the mini catalog. This is the copper and natural ribbon combo pack. So you get them both together. And look at how pretty this copper ribbon is. Isn't that gorgeous? And then this one is the natural ribbon, and you can see the difference in the sizes. So we've got that. That will also be in the game night as well. I'll put the information in the description in case you wanted to sign up for that. I also got this Christmas Tidings embossing folder. That will be one of the prizes in for one of the games. So look at how cute that is. It has all the information that is, or all the words and a few pictures that are related to Christmas and the holiday season. Isn't that beautiful? Now this, I got one for myself and one as a giveaway, but these are the adhesive back speckled dots. And you can see the little speckles in there. So look at that. Does it say what colors are there? It doesn't on here. All right, for those of you who are attending the game night, we're going to be using the Just My Type. And this is the set we'll be using. So if you have it, you don't have to get it. If you don't have it, you can add it to your order. And if you are a demonstrator on my team, you can buy it yourself as well. Let's see what else. Oh my goodness, I thought this was just the most adorable. This is Festive and Fun, and it is so cute. This giraffe, the little beaver, this moose, this plus size unicorn, or rhinoceros, if you will. And then some nice little sayings here. So I just thought that was adorable. Had to pick that one up to make some Christmas cards that are fun this year. These are 2 embossing folders, and they do fit in the mini, but they have some circles and some waves there. So you can see those. That's new in the mini catalog. This one is coming out in the mini catalog, and it is these beautiful translucent florals. It is so pretty, and it uses that distinctive designs. It says, "You're the best. Happy birthday. Congratulations. Wishing you all the happiness in the world." And then we've got a stem with all these different flowers that you can make a beautiful card and bouquet with. What else? Oh, some more for game night here. We've got these beautiful faceted gems. It's a trio pack. So you've got 3 different colors there. And they are, you can feel them. They're kind of 3D. So they've got some great texture to them. Oh, I got 2 of these as well. And one is for me and one is for giveaway. And we've got, these are adhesive back glitter sequins. I just could not wait to see what these were. And so they're exactly that. They're little glitter punches that have adhesive backs to them. So got those. Oh gosh, I got lots of these. 2 of each. I definitely always get one. These are iridescent adhesive back discs. So those are really pretty. So I would much rather have them with the adhesive on them. It just makes everything easier rather than trying to glue down some sequins. And these are all items that are coming out in the new catalog, with the exception of the Just My Type, the embossing, and the chamois. Everything else, though. Why can't I get this one open? There we go. I just love these. I've seen everybody using them in the square, and so I didn't buy the square. I will end up buying the square, but when I saw them coming out with the circles, I said that's where I'll start. Look at these deckled circles and look at how big they are. So huge and so many sizes, and they are just deckled, so it's got a great deckled cut, but you're still getting your circles there. So, and that's huge. That is one big circle there. So I was excited about that. What else do we have here? Oh yes, this is the Abundant Beauty Decorative Masks. And this one comes with multiple masks. You guys know, I think I have every single mask that has ever come out. And let's look at this. These are gonna make some beautiful sunflowers. And we've got like a hound's tooth there. Oh, I didn't even know I had some of these. This is some, as you can see, snowflakes. This has some leaves. Oh, I'm so excited. I thought they only had the sunflower, and now let's get to the sunflower. You're gonna have the sunflower, and then you're gonna have the sunflower leaves, so you can do them in different colors. Then you're gonna have the sunflower, the middle of the sunflower, and then you're gonna have some texture or dimension to the middle of that sunflower. So they all lay over each other like this. And you'll see it's got a little notch in it, and so those will line up very perfectly. And if you saw, let's see, if you saw the light through it, you could see how it fits in there nicely. And let's see if you could see, yes, you could see the leaves, how that all fits so nicely together. Oh my goodness. So, I'm thrilled. This came with 3 extra. I thought it only had this, but it comes with 3 extra. Oh, I cannot wait. And, oh, I have 2 more things here. And this one, I'll just take this out right away, I already know. There we go. These are the dies for the translucent. So these are the dies that go with these. Oh, look at that. And it comes with some, this will cut that out, some of the flowers. There's extra little flowers in here too. So, very nice. So you could probably cut these all and then layer them to make your own little flowers there. We've got this piece that goes here. Then we have some nice little flowers and what are these called? Pistons? And then these flowers as well to do those. So I'm excited about that. I already know that I will be storing them my usual way, which I put them right in there. And then I open this end and stick this right in here so I know that the dies are in there. And that is how I store my dies. I usually will add a piece of magnetic to go on here to hold those dies. But for right now, I'll just keep that right in here. And then I keep this to hold different stuff like my decorative masks in the past. All right, so I've got that. And then this is my final. This does come in a bundle, but I wasn't real thrilled with the stamp set that came with it, but I wanted to get the modern oval punch. And you guys have to see this punch. Look at that. How nice and thick and big that punch is. So let's see here. Look at how big that is. That is so great. That'll make some nice tags, all kinds of stuff. It'll fit so much wording, and I just can't wait to use this. Oh, what a nice cut it gave too. So, all right, well, I will show you real quick what I do with this as well, so I don't forget what it's called. And I just put it right on here with a permanent marker. And I just put the name of it. Modern Oval. You know, now that I'm thinking about it, I could probably do my tag label maker, but I've just used this on all of mine in the past before I got that label maker. So I went ahead and did it on here, and who knows, it might be getting a label on these as well to identify that it is mine. So I hope you guys like everything. What is your favorite? Let me know. I think my favorite is this, and I think it is adorable. All right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day. If you want to get any of this stuff, just go to my site, beautyandthestamper.com, click on the shop Stampin' Up, and you'll be able to find all of this starting in September. So if you are interested in getting some of this now, as a demonstrator, you can pre-order. And so you would be more than welcome to sign up on my team. You can do that as well. Also go to Beauty and the Stamper, and you'll be able to do that at Stampin' Up, join my team. So there's an actual tab for that. Anyways, you would be able to sign up for only $99, get $125 worth of stuff, and you can choose from the new catalog. So anything in the new catalog you can grab. I hope you like it, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I will talk to you later. Bye.
2, 3.